Hi, I'm Nick. I'm a Foley Artist in Los Angeles. A lot of people don't realize that we use everyday objects to try and make movie magic. My secret ingredient is Velveeta. Every project has its own challenges when it comes to sound design, and that leads to interesting solutions. That's when I decided to become the Velveeta Foley Artist. I found that from the original loaf to shells and cheese or even to lowly singles, I've been able to create every manner of sound to really accentuate these moments in film. My methods may be unique, but it has already started to catch on in the industry. The secret to great Foley is using your imagination. And my secret ingredient, it's Velveeta. Feed your imagination.
So Nick, you ever eat it?
Yeah,